Chapter 7 Soil. Learning objectives: 1. Soil formation. 2. Origin of soil. 3. Uses of soil. 4. Composition and types of soil. Let me answer. What are the 12 major types of soil? How many soil types are there? Soil: inorganic matter, sand, loam, clay. Organic matter: humus, decaying plants and animals. Soil: soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. It is said that it takes about 1,000 years to make an inch of soil. In fact, formation of soil took place many years ago when dinosaurs walked the earth. The earth was covered with hard rocks. Heat, cold, and wind broke up the rocks into small pieces, which further broke until they become tiny particles of soil. Soil has many diversities. Composition of soil. Pick a handful of soil from your playground. Observe the composition of soil. It consists of small stones, gravel, leaves, humus, stick, sand, and some other very small particles. Different kinds of soil are found at different places. Soil is composed of two parts: 1. Inorganic matter, 2. Organic matter. Inorganic matter: things made from non-living matter are called inorganic. Rocks are broken down into small particles over millions of years by the action of wind. Water and wind hit against the big rocks. The sun heats up the rock and lets it expand. At night, the rock cools and returns to its normal size. Slowly, huge rocks are broken down into smaller pieces. They are carried by moving water and wind to far away places. There are 3 types of inorganic matter. They are as follows. 1. Sand. Sand has the largest contribution in forming soil. If you rub it between your hand, it feels rough. It allows almost all the water to drain through it. Sea coasts and desert have sandy soil. Plants like Ophutina cactus grow there. 2. Loam. Loam is a mixture of sand, salt and clay. Loam is made up of organic matter like dead plants and animals. Loam is smooth and powdery. When wet, it becomes smooth but not sticky. Loam holds some water and lets the rest pass through completely. It can hold lots of food material or nutrients for the plants. It contains humus and considered very fertile and best suited for growing plants. 3. Clay. Clay is made of small particles. It has the quality of holding water, therefore it is very useful for paddy. Clay is smooth when dry and sticky when wet. Clay can also hold a lot of nutrients, but it does not let much air and water to pass through. Bricks, pots, toys or idols are made from clay. Clay is the backbone and ceramic and brick industry. Organic matter. Things made from matter that was once alive are called organic. The part of soil that consists organic matter is called humus. It is made of decaying plants and animals. Earthworm and snails eat the organic matter and their waste matter makes the soil more suitable for plants. This is why soil is sometimes called living organism. It is not alive, but living things are an important part of it. Without soil, many living things would not exist. Without these living things, the soil that supports life would not form. Use of soil. Soil has many uses. 1. The habitat for many organisms. There are many tiny animals that live in the soil. Animals like rabbit and mice make burrows and holes inside the soil. Snake, slug, earthworm, and centipede, beetle, and snail to give them company. In winter, soil remains warm compared to the ice-cold surface. Animals like snakes, some types of insect and frog hibernate, go to sleep into their holes under the ground. Similarly, when it is very hot during daytime, animals go under the soil to keep themselves moist, slightly wet and cool. 2. Base of agriculture. Soil is used in agriculture when it serves as the primary nutrients base from the plants. Soil provides water, air and nutrients that a plant needs to grow. Plants have roots deep into the soil or spread out wide. This helps to hold soil and prevents it from being blown away. Soil support plant life and they support the other form of life. 3. The useful product. Glass is made from sand. Soil is also used to make material for building houses and containers like clay, ovens, pots, vases, and so on. Some soil have medicinal value and are used to get relief from pain and also for some beauty treatments. Facts you know: a few medicine contain tiny amounts of clay. Soil is a composition of various inorganic and organic matters. Let's recall. 1. Soil forms the topmost layer of the earth's surface and is made when wind, water, and heat break down the rocks. 2. Soil is made of organic matter, inorganic matter, water, and air. 3. Inorganic soil particles are a mixture of sand, loam, and clay. 4. Organic matter consists of dead and decaying plants and animals. 5. Soil has many uses. It is a home to many animals, supports plant life, and is used to make many things. Word power. Composition: a mixture of many substances. Particle: a mixture, quantity, or fragment. Rocks: hard and soft substances. Train your brain. Cross curriculum connect. 1. Answer the following questions in short. A. Name 5 animals that live in soil. B. Why does soil have different colors? C. Name the 3 types of inorganic matter. 2. Fill up the blanks with suitable word. A. Dash matter gives soil its texture. B. Humus is made of dead and decaying dash. C. The action of dash, dash, and dash breaks rocks into small particles. D. Dash is the backbone of ceramic and brick industry. E. Sea coast and desert have dash soil. 3. Answer the following questions. A. What is soil? Where does it come from? B. How do soil and plants help each other? C. Name 3 useful things that made from soil. 4. Things right and cross the wrong statement. A. Soil is formed from rock and mineral. B. Humus is not made of decaying plants and animals. C. Sand is the smallest particle in soil. D. Soil has no living things in it. E. Soil does not have organic matter, inorganic matter, water, and air. 5. Multiple choice questions. MCQs. Tick the correct option. A. What are the ingredients of soil? 1. Sand. 2. Clay and loam. 3. Silt. 4. All of these. B. Soil is composed of 2 parts that are 1. Inorganic matter. 2. Organic matter. 3. Both 1 and 2. 4. None of these. C. Organic matter is called dash. 1. Sand. 2. Humus. 3. Loam. 4. None of these. D. Soil consists of dash. 1. Sand. 2. Leaves. 3. Gravel. 4. All of these. 6. Give one word for each one of the following. A. Mixture of sand and salt and clay. B. The type of soil having organic matter. C. Raw materials for glass. 7. Match the columns. Column A, column B. A. Clay, snails. C. Rat and rabbit. D. Roots. E. Organ of soil. 1. Make burrows in soil. 2. Rocks. 3. Enter deep into the soil and supports the plant. 4. Fertile the soil. 5. Break pots and toys. Activity time. Take 3 pots, put some sand in pot A, some clay in pot B, and some loam in pot C. Sow a few seeds in all these pots. Water the pots every day. After some days, observe in which pot the seeds are growing better. Can you tell why? Thoughts. 1. Justify the statement. The soil is home to millions. 2. A potter uses which kind of soil for making pots? Why? Project time. 1. Go to the school garden, take a handful of soil and collect it in a bowl. Now go to a playground and collect some soil from there. Compare the 2 samples. Note down the differences between the 2. 2. Have you seen an earthen pot? Go to a potter and see him working. Try to make some of your own pots with clay there and enjoy.